Hi everyone, welcome back to today's More Report on Thursday the 3rd of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and well, we've just unwound. We had that sharp move higher on Tuesday, pretty much all but unwound yesterday by a strong correction. So where are we on this Euro chart? Well, we're sort of back in, there is this support, you could argue, around that sort of 112 area, which actually has sort of capped or held up today's low, 1204. But the fact is that I'm sort of looking at this 21-day moving average now, which is interestingly sort of provided support for the last couple of corrections, and again maybe today. 1193, which is that 21-day moving average. Momentum indicator is fairly much neutral now. I think this is just indicative of what we're seeing on this Euro chart, which is choppy range trading. I'm still positive on the Euro above that band 1050 to 11 figure. So generally speaking, I'm just bordering on the positive still on this Euro chart, but you're not really getting any real decisive moves. Here we go with the hourly chart, and we've broken that uptrend. You're sort of really in a bit of a consolidation pattern, really, and what we've seen in the past sort of few days is this sort of ranging period between sort of 111.70 up towards sort of 113 area, just slightly got above 113. So if you sort of move that to where it was, that's 1320 area. So you're having this range sort of play now developing. Momentum indicators are pretty much reflecting that, and also the fact that we've now sort of turning up on the MACD lines, stochastics and RSI on the intraday basis would suggest that you're probably going to get a reasonable day today, but you're still trading within this consolidation, and you're not really seeing much of a gain to the upside. It is more of a sideways move, and until you really get a breakout of this range, I don't think you can really get too sort of decisive either way. You'd need a move above that reaction high at 1330 and probably below these lows of the 28th and 31st of August around a sort of 1160, 1170 way. So until you see that, I don't think you can really get too decisive in your trading. You've got the ECB out today, and that there's generally a lot of volatility around that ECB press conference with Draghi's comments, and he's bound to give some sort of update. And some are talking about further easing or further suggestions of further easing from Draghi, so that could put a bit of pressure on the euro near term, so that could be a drag on the euro lower. But it'd be very, I think again, it'd be a volatile one. He's probably going to talk about turmoil of the financial markets, and that could again create the volatility. So be careful around 1:30 this afternoon, but certainly at the moment, as we stand, it's pretty much range bound. So a couple of 200 or so ticks of range, and it's starting to sort of find a bit of support within that range. You've got that sort of 1204 low that we saw yesterday. That sort of protects the sort of bottom of this range now, but fairly range bound. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.